Well, it's windier as frig outside, but yeah, I need to do some welding, so I friggin' plugged it in all the way to the house. Pulled out the stove to get to it, but yeah, I got my friggin' legs cut. Not my legs, but my legs. And I'm gonna flop this guy down on its side, grind a bit, and then friggin' weld it. Because I need my table. Friggin' right. What? Holy crap, that was freaking loud. But I got all my corners ground down, and I just checked, and the stove's got a 40 amp breaker, so that's perfect. This thing draws 21.7 max. So we're in business. So I'll tack the legs down, measure, make sure they're square and stuff, and then yeah, get her done. Then I gotta frickin' roll this beast back onto its freaking legs. That's gonna be fun. Frig. This thing weighs probably more than I do. But I'll get to her. Well, I got all the legs tacked on. Now I need to measure them, which might be the fun part. Well, I got all the legs tacked on, and I got them measured. This one was friggin', it's a little bit leaned into the middle. You can see there's a gap there now. Well, I guess you can't see. Yeah, I had to friggin' pull on it and then tack it again. But I think we're good to fully weld. Friggin' right. Then I gotta make some friggin' caps for them, because those will just bury into the dirt, which is another reason I want concrete. I'm sure I got something in the hoard. Well, now that I got all the legs tacked on, I'll probably find a piece of angle iron and friggin' weld it across to support them. That'll give it a ton more support. But they're freaking strong, except for the front ones, but that's not very thick metal. That's why apologize. That's why I used it for the bottom, because I want the strongest stuff on the top. That's when I'm hammering and whatnot. But the angle iron will also keep the friggin' ends capped, and it'll support it more. But actually, if I do use angle iron braced right across to it, that means if the floor is uneven, like if it's got a hump there, my table's gonna freaking rock. Crap. The metal hoard pays off. Friggin' right, so that is perfect. Like, it's freaking just, oh, maybe it's like 1/16 of an inch out, but friggin' right. That'll do just nice. So I got both sides, I just gotta tack them on now. This one bows up and that one's flat. Nope, it bows down. There, now we're good. Okay, welding time. try to flip her onto the legs and then I can weld the base. Except that's carpet and I don't want to light that on fire because I don't have a fire extinguisher. But we'll see what happens. This is going to be really fun to try to flip. Well, the good thing about the floor being uneven is I've got friggin' gaps to get my fingers underneath. Holy friggin' crap. Well, I guess I can friggin' weld pretty good if the friggin' legs held all that weight. If they didn't, I would have been in the hospital though, because that would have landed right on my legs. Yeah! Holy crap. Oh man, I got good penetration. You can see the rings inside. Oh, you know what? I think I'll put down a piece of my steel so that I don't light the carpet on fire. That'll keep the sparks away. Friggin' right. And that's why I hoard scrap metal. Because it always comes in handy. Oh, what do you guys think of that? Friggin' right. As soon as I get the concrete poured, then she'll be sitting level. But I'm gonna pull my welder up beside her and figure out where I'm gonna weld that nut to the side of it. Over here, kids. Yeah, that'd be cool. Should we see that water? Very nice fish. Sing for all the finger pattern. Yeah. Maybe I'll build a friggin' loop or something here to friggin' hang my gun off of. Well, there you go. Friggin' workbench, friggin' welding table. Complete. Oh, I love that kind. I'll start getting some stuff moved. And maybe I'll have the center section cleared out by tonight. I think I'll put the compressor under the table. That'll fit nice. Like a glove. Well, I got the big heavy totes moved. Now I gotta move the bandsaw. I'll probably move it right here. I'll pull the vacuum out for now. But, and then, where do I want the press there? I can move my scrap metal down a bit and then put the press right there beside the welder, and the bandsaw can go, I don't know if that's a good spot for that stuff, but whatever, it'll do for now, I guess. Then I gotta move the Volkswagen motor. Those totes were really heavy. My torch, friggin' don't know where I'm gonna move that to yet. Maybe I'll put it there. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. That's what I'll do. Then I gotta find a place to put my frickin' blue toolbox though. I need another rolling one like that, another bottom. Cold out and the camera's frickin' having a hard time keeping up. But anyways, speakers and stuff, I want to set that up so I can have some tunes blasting while I'm frickin' working and stuff. But not too much because I gotta make the YouTube videos. I'm really excited for that breaker box. I think it was shipped yesterday on the Greyhound, which is awesome. Yeah, I think. Oh, my press or the tubing bender. That can probably go underneath there or beside the torch. Frig, I got a lot of stuff. I need a bigger shop. Already, I need a bigger shop. Scrap metals. I gotta maybe build a box or something for it, and then have it somewhere. I don't know where yet, but yeah, I think I'll move, or not move, but hang my light right up there, right above my welding table. That'll be good, because this will be my wrenching table too. Multi-purpose. Awesome. For now, oh, I'm going to have to friggin' tie up that string. But for now, I just got to run up there and then down to an extension cord and then friggin' chooch along there and into the plug. But when I get that breaker box, I'll run a couple frickin' probably, well, since that can't reach too far, I might put a plug like here. That'd be a good spot, and then I can put another one right there instead of there and there, because that's going to be like right level with the thing. But I don't know, maybe I'll just run it across and then down to that, because that, I don't know, seems like it'd be a good height, but it's going to be really close to the top of the bench. Well, this is starting to turn out awesome. I really like this wall. That's gonna be perfect. I like the light too. That adds a lot. And plus I don't have to run that friggin' bulb anymore, because that probably burns half as much as that. That's one of those high efficiency friggin' ones. Yeah, definitely gotta find a place to put all my scrap metals. Well, what do you guys think? Friggin' right. This is awesome. So now I got all this open space right in the middle, which is just awesome. I got my chain hoist friggin' hung there for now. I think I am going to probably this pole here. I'm going to get maybe I don't know, a couple 2x6s or something that can friggin' support a load, and then run them up. Probably level with the bottom of that. Same on the other side all the way up. And then I'll have to get a couple or maybe even 3 or something to run across. Because I've got to be able to lift a motor with that. This thing is a 1-ton friggin' unit, so that's pretty cool. Oh, look, you can tell. But yeah, I think it's quitting time tonight. I got a hell of a lot accomplished. These are those pipes for my buddy Shane. I got to build him a rooftop tent mount system. It's pretty sweet. So I'll basically build it and show you guys how I do it, like I do with most of my stuff. But yeah, it's freaking looking good. I swept the frig out of all the plywood, so that's a lot better. I might end up replacing a couple of these, or even frickin' lay down some new ones or something, because it's better than frickin' just dirt. At least you can lean stuff up on it and frickin' roll stuff decent. But filled in that pothole. I can't remember where it was. think it was here, so there's a soft spot. But I guess it's that time, so thanks for watching, and until tomorrow, take care, guys.